What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing the racing tab levels. I'm not going to be playing all of them because there's 10,000 as you can see up there. We've already played this one, but I'll just show it to you. I'm actually doing. Alright, so we actually beat that one first attempt, which was pretty expected. Okay, I have 9% on this one. Oh my god. This is harder than I thought. Maybe let's just do a bit of a warm-up.